Have you been looking for a way to generate shorts for your YouTube channel, your TikTok account, Instagram account without writing script? You don't have the time to write script or generate AI images? Then do not worry, as I'm going to be explaining to you how you can do this using just a single AI website. In 3 simple steps, you are going to achieve this. Let's take a preview of what we are about to create.
In a small town, there stood an abandoned house, shrouded in rumors and whispers. They said it was haunted by the spirit of a young girl who vanished without a trace decades ago.
And that video you just watched was created by this AI website called Shortts.ai. I'm going to teach you step-by-step ways of how to create this using this website. To be honest with you, there are a lot of accounts getting views, getting engagement now online, either on TikTok, on Instagram, on YouTube, just by creating shorts. And these accounts are making thousands of dollars in a single month from these shorts that they are generating. Let's get started and see how to generate these shorts using Shortts.ai. To get started, you have to open any web browser you're using. For this video, I'm making use of Google Chrome web browser. In the search area here, you're going to enter this website name. I'll leave the website link in the description of this video so that you can just tap on the website link and go to the website. But the website name is called Shortts.ai. The short carries double T, so the spelling is also going to be on the screen. You just check the spelling and go to the website. When you search for the name, you're going to open up like this, and from here you can see it is written auto create viral faceless videos in seconds. So you are not going to do much work while creating these videos. So all you have to do is to click on sign up. If you are a new user, you click on sign up to register. So if I scroll down, you can see some samples of videos here. So let's just scroll down and take a look at some samples of videos that we have here. Auto post on all platforms. So you can actually auto post for you on all platforms: TikTok, YouTube Short, and IG Reels. If you go down, you can see some other things that this is called a feature. So it gives you smart caption generation, multi-language support, customization themes, topic, automated posting on social media, so you don't have to stress yourself, AI power image creation, AI generated background audio, AI generated voiceover, and text to image support. All right, so that's that. Let's move on now. So to join, you have to click on sign up. And when you click on sign up, another page is going to open up, and from here you can sign up using your email and put your email address here. Then use the input the password you want to use. You confirm the password you just inputted, and then click on sign up. Or another option you can use is to continue with Google. If you click on continue with Google, it's going to allow you choose any of your Google accounts that you want to use, and you'll be signed in to the website. And when you are signed into the website, you are going to come to this other interface. So let me just explain what is here so that it's going to be easier for you. Over here we have upgrade, dashboard, profile, affiliate, logout. So now we are on dashboard. Okay, this area is called your dashboard. Okay, so here we have series, we have accounts, and we have billing. Okay, so over here we are on series. If you scroll down, you will see we have stories, add stories, edit, and more. Okay, here you will have your stories that you have edited and created. Okay, but now if you want to create a new story, you are going to click on create. And when you click on create, you are going to be prompted to another interface like this. Over here we have create a series, schedule a series of faceless videos to post on autopilot. So here I'm going to walk you down through these steps. So over here we have the destination. You choose where the video will be posted. You can link a TikTok account or you can link a YouTube account. But for now, I'll click on email me. So they are going to email me this video. Then the second step here, we have what will your video series be about. So over here you choose the kind of content you are curating. So among these options, we have a random AI stories, scary stories, motivational stories. Then if we scroll down here, we have bedtime stories, interesting history. If we scroll down again, we have other options. Here we have fun fact, long form jokes, life pro tip, Li5. If we scroll down again, we have philosophy, we have custom topic. If your style of topic is not here, then you can click on custom topic and it's going to take you down. So from here, they are going to give you an example. So here they say, please share a concise and captivating account of a lesser known yet intriguing historical event. The event must be real and factual. Begin with a captivating introduction or question. Then if you come down again, here is where you are going to input the custom topic. So here you are going to write your custom topic that you want to talk about. Okay, but for this video, I'm just going to pick one of this topic. Then among this topic, I'm going to pick scary stories. That is what I want to use. And when that has been selected and you scroll down, they are going to take you to step 3, where you choose the voiceover that you want to use for your video. Then preference here is for every video in your series. So over here, you can click on this play button to take a preview of the audio that you want to use. So let's just click on this.
There is a large park where people.
So that is how that audio sounds like. If I click on the second one,
Sun rises in the east and sets in the west.
That is how it sounds like. So you are just going to go through these voiceovers and choose the one that will be suitable for your video.
The library is a quiet and peaceful place.
All right, so let's just pick that. So we have selected one of the voiceover. Then we'll scroll down, and when you scroll down, you'll be the next step that you are going to do now is to select your video language. For this, I will be using English, but we have other languages that are available here. These are other languages that are available in this option. So if you go down, you will see background music. You decide either to add a background music or you turn it off. You can either switch it on or you switch it off, as the case may be. Then if you come down here, we have duration preference. Here you can see the note that is here. They say YouTube Short do not support videos that are 60 to 90 seconds long. So if you are using your video for YouTube Short, then you have to toggle this on button off so that it maintains only 30 to 60 seconds video, which is 30 to 1 minute is just 1 minute. But if you are making use of this on other platforms that allow videos more than 60 seconds, then you can turn this on because it's going to give you 60 seconds to 90 seconds video. All right, so that's that. Because I'll be using this for YouTube, then I'm not going to enable that. Then you come down here and click on create series after carefully going through these details and see that everything is correct. I'm going to click on create series. All right, and when you click on create series, you are going to be prompted with this. If you come down, you will see that on my right hand side here I have rendering in progress. So here we have is rendering is up to 20% now. So you just have to sit tight, wait until it's done rendering, then we take a preview of the video that we just created. Then the next thing that we can actually do here after our video is done rendering, over here you can see we have at this place we have text. So now it's on text. So this is the title of your video, the hunting in the abandoned asylum, a chilling tale. So this is the title of this video. You can edit this when your video is done rendering. You can edit this. I'm going to show you how to edit this when my video is done rendering, but let me just explain this. If you want to edit this, you click inside and change the title of your video. Then here is the caption. So dare to explore the secret of abandoned asylum, what this and that. So that is this caption. You can change that caption. I'm going to show you when this video is done rendering how the video looks like. Then over here we have the script that generates the video. Then we can write up to 1600 characters 1600 characters worth of script. So that is that. So you can add your characters here, your script. So you can use ChatGPT or any AI website to generate script for you, and you can insert that inside this script area. Then over here we have images. My video is done rendering. I'm going to show you the preview of this video when I'm done explaining this. Then over here we have images. If you click on images, we have image editor. So if I want to edit any of this image, I can just click on it. Then I'll come down here. You can see your media. You can upload a add an image file. You can upload your image file if you have this image file that you want to use for your story. But if you want to maintain the images that were generated for you, then you can maintain these images. Then here we have settings. You want to do a little settings to your video. Then over here you can change next video scheduled from this option. You can click on this edit button, and it's going to give you access to change what time that this video is going to be uploaded. You don't need to do anything. When you set this schedule period, it's going to upload your video at that stipulated time and date. Then here we have the account. So if you want it to be uploaded to TikTok or YouTube, then you have to link your account to this. Then if you come down, this is the narration voice. You can change the narration voice from here again. Then you can change the video duration from here. If you come down, you can change the background music, and when you're done changing all this, you click on update series, and your video is going to be updated. All right, but please bear in mind, it's going to allow you to create only one stories as a free user. Then if you like the website, which I believe you are going to like the website, then you can go on and click on the upgrade button to upgrade this, because it is very useful. Because with this kind of videos, you are going to gain a lot of followers and a lot of views, and a lot of views means making a lot of money. Then here is the plan that they have. So over here we have the free plan, giving you access to create one video, which is one series, edit and preview videos. All right, then in the essential plan, this is not much, it's just $19. You can post 3 times a week, one series, edit and preview videos, HD video resolution, no watermark, auto post to channel. All right, background music. Then we have the next plan here, which is the most popular, which is the pro version. You post once a day. Okay, this allows you to post once a day. That is 7 times in a week, 7 videos in a week, one series and all that. Then in the advanced plan, we have, you can post twice a day. All right, so that is that for this. If anyone that you like and you want to make use of, then you can just click on the buy option and go ahead and purchase it. All right guys, so I'm going to give you the link in the description of this video, where you can click on and make use of this website and start creating your own videos. Now let's take a preview of our video.
In a small town, there stood an abandoned house, shrouded in rumors and whispers. They said it was haunted by the spirit of a young girl who vanished without a trace decades ago. One stormy night, a group of friends dared each other to enter. As they stepped inside, the door creaked ominously, as if warning them to turn back. The air was thick with dust and the smell of decay. They flicked on their flashlights, revealing peeling wallpaper and broken furniture. Suddenly, a chill ran down their spines. They heard a soft giggle echoing through the halls. "It's just the wind," one friend insisted, but doubt crept in. As they explored deeper, the laughter grew louder, more sinister. In a room filled with old dolls, one doll's eyes seemed to follow them. Panic set in. They decided to leave, but the door slammed shut. Trapped, they turned to find the girl standing in the corner, her eyes hollow and pleading. "Help me," she whispered. In that moment, they realized the girl wasn't just a ghost. She was a warning. The friends escaped, but the house still stands, waiting for its next visitors. Will you dare to enter?